What are you looking?
Where you hid my key?
What key? What key? Keyboot.
My car key.
Why?
Huh? Seriously?
Cosa linda, ay amor, amor.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. What are you doing? Do I have to carry you to put you in there? Is that make you happy? Is that make you happy? Dito siya umupo, guys. I said, no one is allowed here. I carry her over here. Look. Because andyan si Dimples. Kaya, yan. Dada's blanket need to be washed again. Because all of you over there. Look at Tommy, guys. Hi, baby. Say good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Antush, Antush. Hello, Antush. I love you. Don't give me the bad look. Don't give me the bad look. Don't give me the bad look. Hello guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Hindi na ako nagbihis muna. Ito lang muna. Kasi alam nyo, mag-ano lang ako. Tawag dito naghintay ako. Bibili pa ako ng coconut. Kasi bukas darating yung shredder natin ng coconut, coconut na lubi. Basta coconut na lubi. Lubi. Good morning everything. Almost 12 o'clock na. And I'm going to have gumawa siya ng sandwich. May trabaho siya Sabado. Sa ano ngayon? Friday? Bukas, may trabaho siya bukas. And aalis daw siya ngayon. Sabi ko, bakit aalis ka ngayon dong? Bukas pa yung trabaho mo dong. Sabi man niya, magkadungdong pa daw siya doon. Magkadungdong. Joke lang. Ano daw? Hindi ko alam kung bakit aalis siya guys ng maaga. Sabi ko, may kamit ka ba? May kaanik ka ba? May kaanik-anik? Sabi niya, ayaw daw niyang umalis bukas kasi para may time pa daw siya doon, ganon. And ngayon, nagutom ako. Sabi ko, magluto nga tayo ng egg at saka century tuna. Luto tayo ng egg and century tuna. Lutuin natin. And yun, gumawa pala siya ng sandwich kagabi. Alam niyo, magising niyan maaga. Magagawa-gawa na ng anik-anik at ano-ano. And ganyan, shock na lang ako may sandwich siya. I think dalhin niya yun sa trabaho bukas. Pasensya na, hindi pa rin ako nagbihis, guys, ha? Wala pa tayong bihis-bihis. Yun, gusto kong coconut, guys, bago ako maligo ulit. Kasi, you know, magkukunat, gusto kong maglubi. Gusto kong lagyan ng lubi itong buhok ko, ganon. And then, ano pa? Lubi, and then shampoo, and then lemon or lime, gano'n. Gusto kong maging okay itong buhok ko. And then, yung shampoo na purple shampoo yung gamitin natin. Tapos na siyang naligo. Sabi ko, iiwan muna talaga ako dong. Ang aga dong. Hi! You're naked eh? Naked eh, halayo. I'm gonna turn the camera. Eggs and this one, oh. I see you make some sandwich.
Yeah.
When last night, this morning? To bring to work.
Yeah.
Han, please.
Han.
You can leave today, but not too early, Han.
Leave it real early.
Han, it breaks my heart. What? Hoy! Don't ayayay me. Sabi pa niya, gagamitin daw niya yung sasakyan ko. Sabi niya, diba? Nasaktan ako. Oh, hindi, nasaktan. Parang nag-alala bala. Paano na kung gusto kong lumabas? Gusto niyang gamitin yung sasakyan ko. Na-mention niya yan no the other day. So, na-mention niya yan the other day. So, sabi ko, naisip ko, hala ka, oy. Sabi ko, hala ka, oy. Wala tayong sasakyan ito. So, ngayong umaga, sabi pa niya, aalis ako. Sabi ko, hindi mo sinabi na aalis ka ngayon. Bukas pa yung trabaho mo. Nag-ano pa kami. Nagtatalo pa kami. So, sabi ko, paano na yan? Hindi ko, ano kasi, paano na yan? Dalhin mo yung sasakyan ko. Paano ako lalabas kung gusto kong lumabas? So, ngayon, sige, ay, hindi ko nadalhin yun. So, ano niya? Sabi niya, sis, sabi niya, hindi na, o sige, hindi ko gamitin yung sasakyan mo. Sabi pa niya, na ano siya, na quiet siya. So, ngayon, nagwala na naman ako kasi iiwan ako. Sabi niya, huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi ko dalhin yung sasakyan mo. Sabi ko, dalhin mo yung sasakyan mo. Wala akong pakialam. Sabi ko, dalhin mo yung sasakyan mo. Wala akong pakialam. Kung ano pang, kung may mangyari sa'yo, ako pa yung makonsensya dahil, ano, kasi yung sasakyan niya, guys, kailangang ayusin kasi may every time na gagamitin niya may parang nagkalang ganon sa ilalim. kalang talaga. Sabi ko, gamitin mo yan ha, huwag mo akong pakonsensyahin. Huwag mo akong konsensyahin dong. Makonsensya pa ako dong. Na ano, sabi pa niya, wag na, sinabi mo kanina. Kaloka talaga. So, ang gagawin ko is i-mix ito. I-mix. Alam nyo, masarap ito talaga, guys. And, yun guys. So, kaya, nasasaktan ako kasi, alam na. Mag-isip pa ako kung anong kakainin bago alis yan. Nice, luto tayo. Garlic lang yung scallion. Ito lang yung nilagay ko, guys. And, wala na akong, hindi na ako maglagay ng garlic. Alam nyo, gusto kong maghumba ulit. Nakakamiss yung humba. Next time talaga, humba na talaga. Lutuin ko ng matagal para talaga. Hala, maglulundry na naman si Mister. Laundry na naman. No. Laundry na naman.
Don't do hot tuna in a can.
Seriously?
I don't do tuna melts.
It's the best.
Yeah. That's what people.
Can you try?
That's what people say about tuna melts. No, I've had. Over here, they heat tuna, they make tuna melt, like grilled cheese tuna.
No, this is good. This is different kind of meat. This is kind of different taste from your tuna.
I've had that tuna before.
No, you didn't.
It's okay. It's not, I don't like hot tuna, period.
I-shower ko lang si Misty kasi mabango-bango na. Si Misty mabango-bango. Tapos na guys, si Roxy, hindi ko muna paliguan, si Misty lang. And ngayon idadry lang natin si Misty kasi maginaw-ginaw din. She's a good girl. Good girl. She's a good girl. Okay. Look at the tree, guys. It's very bright. And it's not like that before. Look. It become brighter, right? The other day when we came out here, it's not that bright.
Well, it gets better and then it drops.
Yeah, that one is good. This one go first. Sobrang pula. Doon nangahulog na yung ibang dahon, oh. Pero may dahon pa doon. Misty, can you say hi? You're clean. Yeah. I know you're clean.
Oh man, what are you doing?
Yay. Han, don't let Misty in yet. Come here. I know you cannot go out. You cannot get in yet. You're wet. You're wet. Basa siya, guys. Perfect. Napapagod na ako sa kakapanood ng ano, guys. Ng news. Kaya kanina nag-edit ako doon sa loob ng kwarto kasi ano, napagod ako. Yung parang nakaka-stress. Si Tani, nood ng nood. Iwan ko na lang. Pinakain na naman ni Tami yung ibon, oh. Marami na namang nag-i-enjoy. Diyan muna kayo, ha? Diyan muna kayo. Huwag kayo munang papasok. Diyan muna kayo. Naghipos na siya, guys, kasi alis na. He's planning to go na. I see that. I guess I'm going to use your car. You use mine.
No, you don't use your car.
No, it's done. It's done. You can't go anywhere without using my car.
I'm a little confused.
Well, you are confused. Where are you gonna go? Your car won't start. Tinago ko yung ano niya, guys. Yawi. Kasi naano ako, kasi sinabi niya, sinabi mo na ayaw mo, ha? I feel bad. And God forbid, you know? God forbid. God forbid. Honey, even your butt is still very high, honey.
Should have sprayed this before I put the sauce in it.
And look, look at the vlog, look. What are you looking?
Where you hid my key? Where?
What key? What key? Key boot.
My car key.
Why?
Huh? Seriously?
Give me a kiss and a tickle on the butt.
Give me a tickle, right? Where's my freaking key?
I'm giggling. I'm kidding.
Not funny. Why your tomatoes turn red?
A tomato is supposedly red.
Yeah, but you picked them, they were green.
There are some green. White tomato is red.
No, I said they turned red. Usually they don't turn red after they're picked. Because they were all green before.
So you promise me you will be okay?
I'm fine. What? How long do you have to know me?
And you promise me that you're not dating anyone?
I'm not dating anyone. Not even you if you don't give my damn key.
You never date me. Never made me to date. Yes, you never did. You never made take out from food. You never bring me outside and.
Because when I try and take you out to it, no, I don't want to.
It's in this.
I don't want to be in a restaurant. I don't like being in a restaurant.
It's
you
in
tell me
the.
every time. I don't want to go out.
It's in the dining room. Find it. Give him a job. Yeah. Honey, ba? Honey, ha? If there's something God forbid happen, hon. I hid his key because I don't want him to use his car.
That's a very squishy thing to do.
Come here.
Maybe warm over the weekend.
Hey,
maybe I'll do the transmission over the weekend. We'll see how the weather.
Look how cute my husband is.
Yeah.
You said you ordered something.
I got a shirt in the car, so.
Yeah, I know. You said you ordered something for your car. So what happened?
It came in.
Where is it?
Where's that little envelope?
Oh, it's, huh?
Oh, sure. Rashi will come to me, y'all.
Come to me, Argentina. Argentina, come to me. To me. He's still there, guys. He's not moving. He's not moving. Okay, guys. I will see you guys later na lang, oy. Kakain muna kami ng dinner bago siya alis. Mag-ano lang daw siya. Yun yung suotin niya kasi pag dating daw doon, maano man daw siya. Matulog lang daw siya.
Come on, man.
He's
sitting on the railing.
Okay. Han, your cell phone will be filled up in the holder. Bye-bye, baby. Hindi ko inon yung Christmas tree pala, guys. Kasi, wala. You know, hindi ko yan inon every night. Yung kung feel ko lang i-on.
Hey.
La 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 la. No, honey. Yeah. He really is something, hon. He is something, hon. Careful, hon, ha? Careful. He's such a baby. He is such a baby. You're such a baby, babag. You are such a baby. Dada is not with us tomorrow. On Sunday, ha? Try to be home early, ha? Honey?
Yeah.
Ang tayo ng basura. Magtataka na naman to si Tami kasi may motion dito sa garahe. Sa garage. Magtatawag yun. Ano yung motion sa garahean? Kung lumabas ako, nagtapon ako ng basura. Basura, guys. Yun. Kasi dito namin yan nilagay sa loob yung basura. Sa garahean. Kasi kapag mahangin, guys. Kapag mahangin, lilipad kasi. Yung parang ilipad niya. Iwan ko yung basura namin. Ilipad talaga. And yun. Always talagang sad death pag kaalis si Tami. Sadness. Parang kulang yung buhay ko. Palagi yan sa akin sinasabi, paano na lang kung talagang balik na daw yung trabaho niya. Isusok ko lang ito, guys, para bukas. Hindi siya, mahirap kasi linisin. Itong siya kapag may ginagamit mong luto, fry. Mahirap linisin. Nagluluto kasi ako kanina ng mushroom. And then, gusto ko talaga yung mushroom is pa-fry ba. So, ngayon, dahil umalis si Mister, magtutupi tayo ng mga tupiin. Hello? Hi, honey.
It's connected to the car, so. Like I said, I just want to tell you, Valero gas is now $1.91.
So, is it higher?
So, no, it's lower. Quick check went down to $1.97, and Stewart's is down to $2.03.
Okay. Hey, you can connect. You wanna call me back? Connect to the car.
Alright, yeah, let me see if I can connect.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hobbs, what are you doing over there? What are you doing? Is it connect?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's stupid. Now it's connected, and it's playing iTunes. Wow, probably it is stupid crap.
Really? I'm just throwing garbage in the garage and now folding some clothes and upstairs hanging my clothes.
Yeah. Yeah, and leave your clothes in the washer, son.
Huh?
I'd leave your clothes in the washer, son. Last time I left, I forgot to put clothes in the washer.
You still have it?
No, this time I took them out.
Yeah, I thought you were just gonna leave it. I don't forget. I did the last time anyway.
You know what? Last time I was an accident, I just forgot about it.
Hobbs, get out over there. Close it. Lock. I'm gonna lock you over there accidentally. You're done over there.